To add PayPal payments to Shopify, you will need to have a Shopify store and a PayPal account. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. From the Settings section, click on Payment Providers to view the available payment options. Next, click on Add Payment Method and select PayPal from the list of available payment gateways. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to authorize the connection between your PayPal account and your Shopify store. To authorize the connection, you will need to log in to your PayPal account and grant Shopify permission to access your account. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin panel, you will need to configure the PayPal payment settings. This includes setting the payment capture and refund settings. The payment capture setting determines when the payment is captured, either manually or automatically. The refund setting determines how refunds are processed. After configuring the PayPal payment settings, you can test the payment method to ensure it is working correctly. To test the payment method, go to your Shopify store and add a product to the cart. Proceed to the checkout and select PayPal as the payment method. Once you have completed the checkout process, you can verify that the payment has been successful by checking your PayPal account and your Shopify orders. If you encounter any issues during the setup process, you can contact Shopify support or PayPal support for assistance. It is also important to note that PayPal has different types of accounts, including personal, premier, and business. To use PayPal with Shopify, you will need to have a premier or business account. Additionally, PayPal may charge transaction fees, which will be deducted from your PayPal account. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal payments to your Shopify store and start accepting payments from customers. This will provide your customers with a secure and convenient payment option, and will help to increase sales and revenue for your business.